Let's talk about voidable marriage. Not all marriage that are contracted in Nigeria are valid. Some are void from the beginning of the celebration, while some may be voidable. That is, upon the pronouncement of the court will deem the marriage to be invalid. And that is what I want to talk about in this video. Please note that for void and voidable marriages, they are different from divorce, because in divorce there is an existing lawful marriage. Upon the application of either of the party to the marriage, that the marriage has broken down irretrievably, then there is a divorce. But in a situation of a void marriage, that is, the marriage is not valid from the beginning, there are defects. And in case of a voidable marriage, there are existing facts that will make a court to make a pronouncement that the marriage is invalid. Okay, so let's talk about the various reasons why a court may make a pronouncement that a marriage is voidable. There are 4 of such reasons. Please note that anything I make in this video is according to the law, not according to what I feel is right or wrong. And anything you pick from my videos, please note that they are just for educational purposes, and they are not any form of legal advice. If you need a legal advice when it comes to family law matter, please contact a lawyer, an attorney in that regard. Let's talk about it. What are the circumstances that a court will make a pronouncement that the marriage is voidable? Number 1, when either of the party is incapable to consummate the marriage. Please note that this is talking about impotence. This is the inability of either the husband or the wife to consummate the marriage, and this has nothing to do with a situation whereby of barrenness. That is not applicable. The second part is that when either of the parties is of unsound mind, epilepsy, yes, or mental disorder. So the other party can make an application to the court that this is a situation on ground, and the court can make a pronouncement as relating to that. Number 3 is a situation whereby there is a pregnancy, the woman is pregnant and the husband is not the one responsible for that pregnancy. This is also a valid situation whereby the husband can approach the court for the court to make a pronouncement that the marriage is voidable. That is, the marriage has been valid, however, upon this new this circumstance, this situation at hand, the marriage is now voidable, and that will be when the court make such pronouncement. So it is very different from dissolution of marriage. Okay, so and the last but not the least, there are just 4 instances. The last but not the least is venereal disease in a communicable form. So when either of the party has any form of such sexually transmitted disease, you can make an application to the court. The other party can make an application to the court for the court to declare that marriage voidable. Please do not forget, these are different from divorce. I also made a video on void marriage. I will try and put the link in the description box, and as well I made a video on other matrimonial reliefs. People often think that dissolution of marriage, that is divorce, is the only matrimonial relief in Nigeria, and that is not true. So we have this issue of void marriage, voidable marriage, we have attestation of marriage. I made a brief explanation on other matrimonial reliefs in that video. I'll also drop the link to that video in the description box. So if you have any question as related to this video or any of my video, or you want to consult me, my email address will be in the description box. You can send me a mail and I'll reply to your mail. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.